Yes, oh yes. Welcome back to the channel, car people of this world. Today, that's right, BC Racing, we got the coilovers in. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. I am super excited for today's video. I'll be completely honest with you, I've had these coilovers sitting up in my room. I just haven't installed them yet. So today is going to be the day we got the coilovers for the 2007 Lexus LS 460. But real quick, let's take a look at these coilovers. Let's open up this box and let's take a look at what's inside. And here we go. Look at that. Whoa. BC Racing custom coilovers. These were custom, I guess. That's pretty sweet. It looks like we got maybe some instructions or something. We'll open that up in a second. Bam! Look at that right there. The BC Racing coilovers for the 2007 Lexus LS 460. Check this out, guys. I've been waiting so long for these coilovers to come in. It took about 3 months. They took forever to come in, but now I understand why. Custom coilovers, they can't be too easy to make. Anyway, check these guys out. I believe that these right here are my fronts. They are just a lot longer than these guys that are right here. I believe these are the rear and these are the fronts. These guys look so cool. You got the bronze on the top. You can see right there the BC soft to hard. You can actually change the ride stiffness, which is pretty cool. We're gonna keep that a little bit on the stiff side because I don't really want to bottom out after we're lower. We also have these tools right here. I believe these help you adjust the height of the coilover after they're on. So now that you guys know exactly what they look like, let's take a look over here at the car and we can see why exactly we are getting coilovers. Now the back isn't too incredibly bad, but this is why I need coilovers. Look at that. Got the trusty tape measure out here. Look at how much wheel gap that is. That's like 3 inches. That's really got to change. I mean, that's horrible. That's on both sides. Like I said before, the back isn't too bad. That's only about 2 inches off from the fender, which isn't terrible, but I mean, it's still got to get so much lower. So yeah, that's why we're getting coilovers. Also, real quick, I forgot to take a look at what's in this bag. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is gonna tell us how to operate the coilovers. We should definitely keep that. We have product warranty and a sticker. Oh, there's 2 stickers. BC Racing stickers, that's pretty sweet. Maybe, I don't know what we'll do with that. And maybe just some more instructions. So one thing that I really quick want to mention is I'm not installing the coilovers. I just can't do it, guys. I mean, you know, I like to work on my car and whatnot, but to get the coilovers in, you have to mess with the control arms, and the control arms are what keep your car up, and that's just not something I'm looking to mess around with. Now, there is one thing that I will be doing, so don't go ripping on me yet, and that is pulling out the back seats. I will be totally removing and gutting the whole back seats because in order to get to the shock tower is like right behind this seat right back there, so all these seats need to be removed. So I will be doing that. Oh man, these are not the lightest. There we go. Alright, got the coils loaded up and ready to go. One thing though is we're not getting them installed today. I know. We will be getting them installed in this video, but just not today. Today is Thursday. I will be getting them installed this upcoming Tuesday. Alright guys, it is now a new day and it is time to get these back seats out. So first thing we're gonna do is clean out these back seats and yeah, we'll start pulling them out. Oh, look at that. There's the back seat. It's pretty sweet. Got it. Bam, back seat officially out. All right guys, check this out. We got the whole back seat out, but here's the next problem. My strut towers are underneath here. That is underneath this whole big part right here. So now we got to get this off. All right, so you can't really get anything else up. We just kind of pried up the clips like this, and then what we're gonna have to do, or the shop is gonna have to do, is get in there and remove them like that, because you'd have to remove the whole sub and everything like that. So yeah, so we're just gonna keep it like this. So now while we're waiting for Tuesday to arrive, today is Sunday, we will be washing up the car. Then we're gonna be going on a cruise with some friends. And you already know, like, if they try to race me, we just lost like 50 pounds of weight. Like, that's at least like what, 20 more horsepower, dude? I'm smoking everyone. See all that dirt? Just like that. It is all clean. Let's get on this cruise. And welcome here to Tuesday morning. We got the LS getting all nice and warm. We got the coils in the trunk, and look at this. This is the last time that we will be checking the car on the stock ride height. Give it about the whole day, and we're gonna be so much lower. It's gonna be so sick. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to the first shop that I was gonna get it done at. They came out and surprised me with a $500 increase, which is just not cool, and I'm not looking to pay. So I hit up the same shop that did my exhaust. They said they could beat it by 500 bucks, and they install coilovers all day. So we're gonna go there, and hopefully it should turn out okay. So here we are, we just dropped the car back off at Casper's. This is where I got the exhaust done. They said they could cut my price in half at least, which is gonna be awesome. So we'll see how it turns out, but we also have my buddy Ed here. He is giving me the homie hookup and giving me a ride home. So I will let you guys know after the car is finished. All right, guys, it is now the new day. We just got the call that the car is ready. And once again, we got the boy Ed hooking us up with the ride back. This time in his Q50. What's going on, Ed? How you doing?
Second car. How are you, bro?
Doing all right. Dude, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Of course, man. No problem.
Yeah, dude, it should look so cool. So the shop called me last night, actually, and they told me that it was so low that it was tucked all the way up in in the fender liner. So I was like, all right, you gotta adjust the coils, make it a little bit higher, because I didn't want it like super slammed from the offset, because I have to get it back to my house, and then I'll adjust how high I want it, how stiff I want the suspension and whatnot. So we'll see what it looks like, but I'm super hyped, man. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. You see that fitment right there? Oh, it's terrible fitment. But look at it, dude. It's like tucked. Look at the front. We got like, okay, maybe an inch of wheel gap right there, but we'll change that. Like, we can totally change that. Look at it, dude. Oh my gosh. That is so crazy. All right, I gotta go pay for this real quick, and I need to get it into the sunlight because you have to see this. All right, guys, check this out. Look at these. These were the old front coils. No, these are the rear coils right here. Flashback to what the BCs looked like. Camera's not wanting to focus. There you go. You can see them back there. Dude, that's crazy. That is so cool. I am so hyped to get it on the road, dude. What do you think about it, bro? It looks crazy, right? So fresh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm in love, dude. So here's the one thing, is getting out of here is like horrible. Their driveways are like terrible. So we'll see how that goes, but yeah, we're gonna go home and we're gonna mess around with this stuff. I'll tell you what, guys, first ride in it, say goodbye to that Rolls-Royce luxury type ride, because this is so much more stiff, but it has to be stiff because of how low it is. Now, I do want to get it a little bit lower in the front. I told the shop to leave it a little bit higher because I needed to get it back to my house without it like bottoming out. So we're gonna mess around with it. Yeah, it's looking crazy, but let's get back to the house and then we'll make some adjustments. Guys, this is like one of the worst roads in New Jersey that we're driving on right now. check this out. It's so, I mean, I know the camera, you can't like pick up how bumpy it is right now, but I am like bouncing all over the place. This is terrible. I'm gonna take this really slow, but I'm gonna see if my arm will even pick up just how bumpy this is now. This is terrible. All right guys, so we just pulled back up to my house. Look at that. It looks so much cleaner than it did before. Oh, it just looks so clean, dude. I'm so excited. It looks so good. It feels nice. It rides nice. It's not scraping. It is a little stiff. If I were to do anything, I'd make it a little bit softer, but it's like nice. It feels like I've ridden in my buddy's GT3 before. It feels just like that. It's really stiff. Also, the thing that's the best is, I know some of you guys are LS460 owners out there. The handling is like trash on these cars stock. These BC coilovers added an incredible amount of handling. Like, it feels so much tighter around the corners. Of course, it's still, you know, 5,200 pound car, but it feels so much better than it did before. There's a lot less body roll and it feels super, super tight. Why don't we put this sticker, what are we thinking, like right there? Is that looking kind of fresh? I don't know. I got 2 of them, so I don't know, but what are you thinking, Ed?
You know, I'm thinking right there because
right there?
at nighttime, it's probably on like
that's true, dude.
It's a brake light.
Yeah, like you can see it daytime and nighttime, bro. All right, well, let's slap it on there. I made the decision and I put it right there. It's so subtle and it's clean, guys. Check that out. I love it. Guys, this video is kind of all over the place, but it is now the next day and we are going to lower the car even more. Last night, me and my buddy Kyle dropped the front to an extreme amount. I really like how that's looking right now, but now that the front is perfect, it is time to get the back looking about the same, because the back right now is looking a little high. We're moving it out into the street and we're gonna make it lower. All right guys, I'm not even gonna bore you with all the adjustments. I'm just gonna show you that here is my coil. It's gonna get a lot lower, so you'll see it after it's back on the ground. Check it out, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. Funny story, I couldn't even get it off of the low profile jack without having the piece of wood there. So hard times, I guess, huh? So I was back at my house trying to see if I added it all up correct. This is about 26 inches in the front from bottom of the tire to the fender on both sides. Pretty much perfect. And in the back, they are both 25 and a half. That's, yeah, about 25 and a half. Now it is time for the speed bump challenge. That was one of the most scary moments of my entire life. We did not hit though, that's good. Although I have to say that was on the smaller side of the speed bumps. I don't think it's gonna work on a bigger one. Now we're in the right spot. I'm talking parking garage, baby. All right, here we go. Dude, that was only 3,000 RPM. That is unreal. Oh, that is awesome. Ed? I'll catch you later, bro. Dude, thank you so much for all your help today. I really appreciate it. That's awesome, yo. Yo, give us a show. Oh my gosh, that's insane, dude. That's so crazy. Anyway, so we just had a little meetup. Super sick to see. It just looks so incredibly good. As for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to make. It's so cool to finally see the car fully coming together. It looks so good, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys want to see the rest of this build, and I will catch you guys in the next video.